Welcome to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to talk about how to increase your cost per click on Adsense and generating that revenue like I've done here. As you can see, if today is your first time of joining the channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and also share the video. So most of the times people get low CPC with their blog, and it's very difficult getting high cost per click. So in my previous videos I explained some of the niche that when you blog you get high CPC, but most of the times though, if you don't do certain settings, most of the low CPC will be showing on your site even though you are doing all the great hard work. So today I'm going to take you through the steps. In you open your Adsense account, you come to blocking control, you click on all sites, you come to manage URL. Clicking on that, we have the low CPC sites. I'll be attaching them in the comment section below so you guys can download. So what you have to do is to select all the sites. Those are the sites that have very low CPC. Some of them have 0.01, 0.02. They are very low. So you select all the sites, you come and you paste it in the URL section here. So you paste it here. So after pasting, you click on search. So when you search, you block all this URL. They are very low URL, they don't give you higher earnings, so you block all of them after blocking, or you close it safe. So this time around you are not going to get like low CPC ads showing on your site. So guys, after blocking these URLs, you need to go back and you come on Ads Network, you click on manage. So this time around we are going to be adding with the Ads Network. You can't add them in bulk, so you have to be selecting them one after the other and be adding them. So you click on search after pasting and you allow and you take the next, you copy, you paste, you search, you allow. So you pick the next one, select, you search, it's already, you allow. So guys, that's how you're going to do it. So when you add and you do this thing, you're going to realize most of your ads are going to show high CPC for you. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.